In this video, we're going to be changing the radiator on the late Ford Transit. There are a couple of ways of doing this, but my preferred way is by removing the bumper. So let's get started. Remove the few screws at the top of the panel. We're going to need the headlights out, so just remove the couple of Torx bolts, one here and one at the top corner here, and then with a little bit of persuasion the headlight will pop out, and all we need to do is just remove the multi-plug for the wiring seen here. You just need to pull the tab a little bit and then the wiring will slide out like so. Continuing with your Torx 30, remove the plastic cover at the front underneath. This will expose the intercooler and you will be able to see the radiator. On the driver's side in the front corner there is a multi-plug. This is the wiring for the front bumper. Now, as you look up into the inner wheel arch, there are a couple of screws alongside from the wheel arch liner to the bumper. These just need removing. Where the wing meets the bumper, this is held by various clips. So in order to remove the bumper, you just need to give a sharp tug and it will just pop off, as you can see here. Here's the clips. There are slight variations on this model. Some bumpers are slightly different. You may have noticed the difference on this one, the two different colours. The variations are very slight though. The radiator is primarily held in position by this bracket, and this will need removing later, but let's continue with removing the front bumper first. There are two hidden bolts at the front. You need to remove the registration plate and then you will see the two 13mm bolts. These are the main thing holding the front bumper on. And then all that's left are the various clips. One can be seen here, a couple in the front bumper. If you use an inspection lamp you'll be able to see them, and then these just need releasing and then the bumper will just slide away nice and easily. Now we can remove the coolant pipes and the wiring for the fan. Follow the wiring across the top cowling to the multi-plug. Don't miss the pipe with the quick release at the top right hand corner. Back underneath, remove the intercooler pipes, and there's another plastic cowling that needs removing. Before the radiator is removed, release the condenser. Just a couple of clips at either side and then it will just lift upwards and outwards, and then we can get on with lowering the radiator. Then undo the 4 bolts holding the main bracket, then the radiator will lift downwards. And now you should have something that resembles like this. Once this one was dismantled, we noticed that the condenser was damaged, so this gave us a great opportunity to change this at the same time. Now that the radiator's off, we can swap over the intercooler and the fan cowling ready to be refitted. And all that's left to do is refit the radiator, and here we are, looking good as new. Now it's just a case of refitting all the parts in reverse order. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I will try my best to help. So, thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. If you want to see some more interesting videos, check out these ones coming up right now, and we'll see you over there shortly.